and I'm going to discuss about how to make a frequency distribution table. In constructing frequency distribution table, we have 5 steps to follow. First step is to determine the range of the numerical data. So first step is to determine the range of the numerical data. And these are the sample score of 20 students ranging from lowest to highest, equals to highest value minus lowest value. The highest value is 30 and the lowest value is 9. So 30 minus 9 is equal to 21. The range is 21. So the second step is to determine the number of classes to which the data are to be grouped using Sturge's approximation. So we have to use this a scientific calculator. P is equal to 1 plus 322 log n. P is equal to 1 plus 322 log 20. P is equal to 5.62 equal to 6 classes. Third step is to determine the class size. So class size, so we have here. C is equal to range over the number of classes. And C is equal to 21 is our range over or divided to 6 classes. And C is equal to 21 divided 6 equals to 3.5 or equal to 4 class size. For our fourth step is to determine the lower limit of the first class. Our lower limit or the lowest value is number 9. So lower limit is 9. The class interval and determine the class frequencies of all 20 students and the lowest is 9. Then count off by 4 because we have the class size is 4. So 9, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 9 up to 12. Start with 12 followed by 13, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, so on and so forth. So 20, 21, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 28, and 29, 29, 29, 30, 31, 32. Then, determine the class frequency. From 9 to 12, we have students who get the score of 9 to 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 students. For the number 13 to 16, 13 up to 16, we have only 1. And for 17 to 20, 17 to 20, we only have, there are 2. And from 21 to 24, there are 6 students. 21 up to 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. From 25 to 28, we have 25 to 28. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4. And 29 to 32, we have 29 to 32. 1, 2, we only have 2 students. The total of 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 20. For the class mark. Getting the class mark, we have to get the summation of two class intervals, which is 9 plus 12. 9 plus 12 is equal to 21 divided by 2 to get the midpoint. So, 9 plus 12 divided by 2 is equal to 10.5. So, the easiest way to get the next midpoint is just to add the class size, which is 4, to the left side, and the class intervals. So, 10.5 plus 4 is equal to 14.5 plus 14.5 plus 4 is equal to 18.5 plus 4 again because we have a class size of 4. So 22.5. Next, 22.5 plus 4 is equal to 26.5, and 26.5 added by 4 is equal to 30.5. To get the boundary, we have to subtract the 5 to the left and add 5 to the right side. So, then 12 plus 0.5 equals to 12.5. Then 13, here is the 13. So, 13 minus 0.5 equals to 12.5. 16 plus 0.5 equals to 16. Then 21 minus 0.5 is equal to 20.5. 20.5. So 24 minus plus 0.5 is equal to 24.5. So 28 plus 0.5 equals to 28.5 and so on and so forth. 28.5. 29 minus 0.5 equals to 28.5, and 32 plus 0.5 equals to 32.5. For relative frequency is we have to get the first frequency, then divide it to n, the number of students after that, times it to 100. That will be the answer. So 5, here is the frequency. 5 divided by 20 is equal to 0.25 times 100 is equal to 25%. Then 1 divided by 20 is equal to 0.05 times 100 equals to 5%. And 2 divided by 20 is equal to 0.1 times 100 equals to 10%. Then 6 divided by 20 is equal to 0.3 times 100 equals to 30%. And 4 divided by 20 is equal to 0.2 times 100 is equal to 20%. Last one is 2 divided by 20 is equal to 0.1 times 100 is equal to 10%. And we have two cumulative frequency. The less than cumulative frequency and the greater than cumulative frequency. First is we have to copy first the frequency, which is 5, and added by the next number. So 5 copy 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. 8 plus 6 is equal to 14. 14 added by 4 is equal to 18. Then 18 added by 2 is equal to 20. The frequency and the less than cumulative frequency is the same. So So this less than cumulative frequency and the total frequency here are the same. To get the greater than cumulative frequency starts in 20. So 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 20 then 15. 15 minus 1 is equal to 14. 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. Then 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. 6 minus 4 is equal to